Welcome back to another video. I'm so happy to film this video today. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas time with your family and loved ones. And today I have for you a new H&M Haul and Try On. We will go today in the city and visit the H&M boutique and see what's new. Maybe we will find something for the New Year's Eve. So let's have a look around. I just got ready, so I have a simple outfit today. A beautiful silk cashmere sweater from Massimo Dutti. This jacket is from Tom Ford with some gold details here and leather details. I absolutely love Tom Ford. The cut is amazing. So highly recommended. So before we leave in the city, I want to show you what I received from a lovely brand from London. So I received from the wonderful brand Bagpad London, here you can see the name, a beautiful cushion piece. So these are the styles they have for different bags. You see the Chanel one, Hermes, and other bags you have Dior and so on. They are different cushions for each bag. You will see them also online. You can choose the size and everything and also the color. This is the bag which it comes in. This is my cushion. So they asked me, what kind of cushion do you like to have? And I chose the one for my Lady Dior bag because I realized I'm trying to stuff them sometimes with other papers or scarves I have to have a good shape with the bags. So this is my first cushion I received. I'm very happy with it, and I chose the silver one. It's the perfect size for the Lady Dior one. So now I will demonstrate you how it works. Now you know why I chose silver color, because I have a gray Lady Dior. So now I show you how it works. You just take the cushion, this part down, and voila, that's the perfect size. As you can see, it is until here, the cushion, and here is the zipper where it closes. Perfect. So now your bag can stay in shape, which is very important for this kind of bags because you have them for a very long time. Like I have mine now for 11 years and I don't want to lose the shape of the bag. I will leave a link down below in the description box. Absolutely love these cushions and definitely will get more. Just arrived at H&M. Gorgeous dress with the sequins, so stunning for the New Year's Eve. That's a stunning trouser with the sequins and a champagne color. Super gorgeous, and when you combine a nice cashmere sweater to it, I think it will look fantastic for the festive days. It's a super sweet cardigan with the pearls here, so nice. And they have this one in this color here and the beige one, and they also have the same one in a gray version. Such a gorgeous cardigan. It's a beautiful snowy white color with gorgeous crystal buttons. I mean, they're so nice and sparkly. They have it in this color and this white, and they have also a black version with the crystals, or no, with plain silver buttons. Also very nice. And they have also the cardigan in this gorgeous beige color and the crystal buttons. Absolutely lovely in this color. So immediately catches my eye this gorgeous sparkly dress. That's a super gorgeous gold skirt, super nice and shiny. Oh, that's a nice dress. A beautiful black classic dress. These sweaters, they are super sparkly, really gorgeous. And they have this beige color, and they have also the same version in black. That's a classic black leggings with slides in front. Super nice, and I think it's very comfortable to wear. It's a really beautiful sweater with the turtleneck and a beautiful cream white color. So gorgeous, and the material is also quite nice. Gorgeous dress with the sparkly stripes here, so nice. I also found this gorgeous sparkly cardigan in a really nice beige color with some crystals here. Super gorgeous. And the fabric is also quite nice. really gorgeous light lilac color from the sweater here. I saw this already the last time when I went to H&M, so it's still available. I will link it down below so you go and check it out on the website. So that's it from today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching and you saw some beautiful pieces at H&M. I think the glitter shimmer sweaters they were very nice, and also I think the cardigans which they had in this beige and snowy white color and the crystal buttons, absolutely gorgeous and so soft. Wow. Anyways, if you're new here to the channel and you love fashion, lifestyle videos, shopping vlogs, I would love to have you here. And if you subscribe, give this video a like, and I see you in the next video. Ciao!